Good afternoon, viewers, and welcome back to another episode of Dallas Auto Diagnostics. I've been waiting for some time to record a video like this, and it is intended to my customers, future customers. And if you are watching this video because it says send you the link, I want you to understand how complicated cars are nowadays. Today's video is about the effect of failing components in a car and the effect on other systems and other components. I am dealing with a 2015 Dodge Challenger. They called me, they said the driver's side window, passenger side window doesn't work, the radio doesn't work, the AC doesn't work. And for a good repair starts with a good direction. And I did not attack those systems individually. I looked at it as a whole picture, and the only thing that is common between those systems is the CAN network. That's exactly why I'm recording this video. CAN network, controller area network. And every time I talk to a customer, I give him a price about diagnosing a CAN issue in a car. They complain. They think it's just a wire that is, disconnected harness or wire cut. It's not that. I will show you how complicated the system is. As I said, we have a non-working driver side, passenger side window. AC is not working, blower, and the radio is not working. Let me take you to the car. So as you guys see, the AC is not working. The radio comes on and off by itself, so now it's on, but even when it is on, it's not functioning correctly. Like right now, if you want to go low on the temperature and you go down, it's going to go back to 75. The fan, you bring it up, control it, you say done, it's not working, fan. So it's malfunctioning. The windows up and down, both of them, they don't work. I found inside the vehicle this, which is the driver's side door module. I also found this, which looks like the master switch. I also found inside the car a body control module right there. The owner said he brought a body control module. He didn't plug it in because it needed programming, and the car wouldn't start. So they got me here. Again, I looked at it as one issue, all of them one issue. So I went to the CAN network. The CAN network schematic. I looked at it, and it is right here. It has driver window door lock switch, driver window module, AC heater, radio, amplifier, all of them on the same network. And we also have this one. By the way, they go to that connector right there, the green and white. You see those little connectors? Those are the one here. And also on that connector there is the radio right here. You see it? And also there is the body control module through these two, C7, these two, the white and gray, the green and gray, or green and white, those two. So they come to over there. Now one tip the owner told me, he said once he disconnect this, everything starts working. This harness, which is this one. So when I looked at it, F is I'll show you guys. Body control module right here is C6. So I looked at C6. What's in it? Nothing interesting except another two CAN IHS lines. So when you go back to the diagram and you go to the body control module right here, you see those on pin 7, this is 4, this is C6 right here, those two lines. So when I followed them, they go to StarCan IHS rear connector. This is the front connector, the rear connector somewhere over there. This is the front location, and this is the rear. You see it? Sorry for the glare. Now, I went back here and I looked at this connector. What's in it? We had heated seats module. We don't have that. We have cloth. Right rear blind spot, left rear blind spot. I don't think we have this. So I look here, I see passenger door module and passenger door. So I come and I take off this door panel, and I come here. Now everything as they give it to me right now, and I'm watching the CAN network. This is the CAN network. This is a bad signal. Okay, this is a bad signal. Look at it. Now, once I disconnect this harness, as the customer says, look how the signal is gonna change. This is a good signal. This is bad. Okay, so this is good. This is bad. So when I come to this module, look, this is the harness that has the two wires, the white brown and the white one. Those. And look, now it's bad. I disconnected it. It's good. See it? See it? I disconnected it. It's good signal now. You see how the signal? Let me show you a good signal. This is a good signal. You see it? This is a good signal. I'm gonna show you a bad signal. All right, now we have good. I'm gonna plug it. Now it's bad. This is bad. You see it? This is bad. You see how not even and messed up it is? All right, so this car to be fixed, all these modules, and to prove it, I'm gonna disconnect this and watch this. See, it's disconnected. Now we have AC control. I think I have to restart the car or put it on. See, now I have control. Even here when I come, I adjust the temperature and I put done. There you go, it stays on low. Before it stays on 75. Fan, yep, before it wasn't adjusting. See? The window, driver side window, up and down. The only thing that we need is that module. This is the repair for this vehicle. We need that module. But the whole point behind giving you guys this information is to show you how hard it is. When I say CAN network, look how many things they were gonna change to make this work, and it wouldn't fix it. They probably would change the climate control or the AC control or the AC module, or like spend nearly $1,000 to fix this car and not even fix it. And then when they get to the passenger door, they be like, oh, there is a module over there, let's change it, might as well we spend $1,000. Hey, here we go, now the problem fixed, everybody happy. No, they're not happy. So if I am quoting you for a job, for a CAN network job, don't say this is too much. You have to see what we go through in order to get to that module. And honestly, I don't see a lot of shops do this. With all respect to mechanic shops, not a lot of people know what they're doing. So I hope this will help somebody, and I'll hope that you understand my point by doing this. Thank you guys for watching. Here's some extra footage. They just got me a module from their yard. They have another car inside, and we plugged everything in. and everything is working except keys on now. Yeah, everything is working. The AC, yeah, but the window goes down, doesn't go up, so I think there is a initialization process need to be done to this one. But here you go. Who would believe a driver side window module would affect the AC not working or the radio? That's my point, and I know I forgot to mention this, but hey, thank you guys for watching.